Today, we're going to talk about the issue of the missing Bluetooth button in Windows 10. Go to the search bar and type Services. Run it as administrator. Then scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click on it and under Start Type, make sure it's set to Automatic. Click Apply and then OK. After that, restart your computer. Now try turning on Bluetooth again. If it doesn't work, move to the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click on this PC and select Manage. Then go to Device Manager. Important step, select your device name at the top. Then from the Action menu, choose Add Legacy Hardware. Click Next, then click Next again. Then click Next again. Choose Network Adapter. After that, select Microsoft and look for Bluetooth. If you don't find it, try other manufacturers like Intel or others. If you find the Bluetooth driver, select it and click Next until it installs. Hope this helped you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace!